M3D 3D printer. Accessory print bed, accessory fan, accessory nozzle. So we gotta check to see if everything came. Thanks for your purchase. For unpacking the 3D printer. Blah 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 blah. Okay. And let's see here. Is it just the box are you getting, or a little more?
You want me to get you in it too?
Titanium silver filament. Smallish roll. There we go. They also have some Sunset Orange 3D ink. This is PLA. We have some Deep Cobalt 3D ink. There we go. I think this might be the ABS. Maybe this is the ABS. Anyways. And then we have Expert 3D ink, Caribbean Blue. So 3D ink, and yeah, so these are ABS. Expert 3D ink, and so these two, and then these are the PLA. So 4 rolls. Now, printer in the box. Let's see how it goes in. So it comes with a plug and a USB cable. Pretty basic stuff. This is an extruder. That goes there. And here comes
it's a nice
printer.
color.
So yeah, very small, little tiny guy. Small build plate. Here's an additional build plate and some sticky print surfaces. I'm not gonna take it out quite yet, but just take note. Look, it's even got little 3D printed components here, right, that hold everything in place. So it looks like quite a nice little unit. We're gonna see, and we're gonna test it out pretty soon and put up some videos, so stay tuned.